Hello everyone, this is Pavni from Informatica Support. In this video, we are going to see how to use CM Console. Agenda would be what we will see what is CM Console, use of CM Console, and demo on the same. CM Console is a command line interface to run data transformation service. It is available on Linux, Unix, and Windows. To use CM Console on Linux or Unix, we have to open command line. From Windows, open command window. CM console command has the following syntax. CM console service name, we have to give the data transformation service name. Then input document. For input file, we have to specify -f. If the input is URL, we have to give -u. If the input is text, then -t option has to be used. -a service parameter. Initial value can be defined using this option. -o output file name, the file to which we can redirect the output of the CM console. -r it is used to specify the current result and output directory of the CM console command. -l username, it specifies the username of the HTTP endpoint URL that we are trying to access. These option has to be given when you use -u input document option. -p password for the HTTP user. -v it specifies the version and license information of the data transformation. -s this is the option where we are using streamer as a startup component. -x if we are giving additional input ports for the service, then if the additional input is a file, -xf, if it is a URL, -xu, if it is a text, -xt. -xo output port for the service, -e if this option is not used, then the command will exit with 1 for success and other numbers for failure scenarios. If we specify this option, then it ends with 0 for success and other numbers for failure scenarios. Now let's see a demo on the CM console usage. I have opened Informatica Developer Client and I connected to MRS service. In this, I have a demo project where I have CSV to XML data transformation. This data transformation can be exported as a service and imported into the server and can be run using CM console. To export, go to File, Export, choose Data Transformation Service, click Next. Next, we can specify other folders. The default service folder would be clients DT service DB folder. Click on Finish. As I already have the exported service, I'm clicking No. Now this service can be placed in the server to run CM console. I have copied the exported data transformation service to Informatica server. Infa home data transformation server DB folder. So this is the service. So inside the service, I have a sample CSV file called input.csv, which I want to convert to XML format. Now, to run CM console, first we have to source the environment variables. For that, source this setDNV file. After this, in the bin folder, we have CM console utility. So to test if this is working or not, let's use -v option. Yeah, it is working. Now to run our service CSV to XML, I'm using this command cm console CSV to XML -f, that is the input.csv file, and -o output.xml. So command ran successfully and it created output.xml file. So this is how we use CM console to run data transformation service from command line. Thank you for watching this video.